Is your Sony TV blinking a red light and you don't know what to do? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are 8 methods to fix it. Let's dive in. Step 1. Power reset. Unplug your TV from the power outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. This simple step can often resolve the issue. Step 2. Check the connections. Make sure all cables, especially the HDMI cables, are properly connected. Loose or faulty cables can sometimes cause the red light to blink. Step 3. Update firmware. Ensure your TV's firmware is up to date. Go to the Settings menu, find the Software Update section and install any available updates. Step 4. Ventilation. Overheating can trigger the red light. Ensure your TV is well ventilated and not too close to walls or other heat sources. Clean any dust around the vents. Step 5. Factory reset. Perform a factory reset by going to the Settings menu. Be aware that this will erase all your settings and data, but it can resolve persistent issues. Step 6. Power supply board. Inspect the power supply board for any visible damage. If you're comfortable with electronics, you can open the back of the TV and look for burnt components. Step 7. Power cycle your remote. Sometimes the remote control might interfere with the TV's operation. Start by removing the batteries from the remote. Then, press all the buttons twice to ensure any residual power is fully discharged. After that, replace the batteries and see if the red light issue is resolved. Step 8. Check for software bugs. Occasionally, bugs in the software can cause the TV to malfunction. Try reinstalling the software or rolling back to a previous version if possible. Check online forums for any known issues with the current firmware version. Often, other users might have faced similar issues and found solutions that could work for you. Step 9. Check for faulty components. Sometimes internal components like capacitors can be faulty. Look for bulging or leaking capacitors, which might need replacement. Step 10. Contact support. If none of these steps work, it might be time to contact Sony support. There could be a more serious hardware issue that requires professional repair. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your tech fellows.